The following instructions are on how to assemble a Toro-style table. Before you begin, make sure you have all the parts and tools listed. Place the Toro top face down on a flat surface. Then, place the Toro frame down on top of the table top. Align the frame with the pre-drilled holes. Note, if you're assembling an epoxy top or a two-piece top, check out those assembly instructions on our website. Using an R2 square bit, secure the frame to the table top with number 10 size square pan screws. Before you begin, make sure you have all the parts and tools listed. For the heavy-duty casters, start by twisting the stem of the caster into the hole of the leg. Lock the caster by pushing up on the brake lever. Then, use a 3/4 inch wrench to tighten the nut onto the stem of the caster. If you are using adjustable legs, insert a star washer and an M6 screw into the hole closest to the caster. Then, tighten it with a 4mm hex bit. If you would like to have the Grand Hang glides attached, start by removing the nylon glide from the leg by rotating it counterclockwise until the glide is free. Place the stem of the Grand Hang glide into the leg. Rotate clockwise until it is fully inserted. When adjusting the leg, place the insert into the Toro frame and set it to your desired height. Once you've done that, place number 12 star washers and M6 screws through the holes and tighten them with a 4mm hex bit. After the 4 legs are installed, turn the table upright, but make sure that you have some help doing this. Your Toro table is now assembled and ready for use. If you have any questions, call our customer service today.